If you have a paper bag, spray paint, gum, and this applique, you can literally make these same letters for yourself. Hi friends, welcome back to Style and Sew. Let's make something very creative this evening. So I used a paper bag that I didn't need anymore and I crafted these letters out of it. Then I used my gum, gum, or you can use your candle gun, but I think candle gun does not work so well, but I used candle gun anyways to gum it on the foam. Then I trimmed it out. I proceeded to spraying it. When I was done, I sprayed it black, and then I was not yet satisfied. I was trying to do something very stylish, so I saw this applique and I decided to use it on the letters. I used the top bond to gum the applique onto the letters I already had, and it came out so beautiful. Then I proceeded to spraying it gold and black. So I would advise, if you're using top bond, do well to leave it for about 30 minutes so that it can bond very well. Top bond is actually good. You can also use wool gum, or you can use, I don't think candle gun did a great job, honestly, because he kept pulling out. So this is just my own advice. You can actually do whatever works for you, but this is what I use. Surprisingly, I was able to gum this thing on the wall using my top bond. In fact, as heavy as it was, none of it fell to the ground. So I would also recommend you use top bond. So what I did was just to generously apply the top bond on the foam and then leave it for about 1 minute and then proceed to gumming it on the wall. So first of all, I sprayed it black and then I proceeded to highlighting the gold part. And this is the result when I was done. It looks very beautiful. What do you think? What do you think about my art? If this video was helpful, do well to give me a thumbs up and turn on my post notification. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends whom you would like to recreate this artwork with. See you in my next video. Bye for now.